of these Squarebill crankbaits, and I've kind of had a little bit of an idea brewing in my head here while I was at work today, so we're going to just see if we can't bring it to life. Base coat, titanium already done. The next color we're going to spray, I'm going to go over the entire bait with pearlized white. And we're going to just cover the entire bait with this. This gives it that nice pearl look to it. Flip her upside down here. Alright. That is what we were after. Let's use up the whatever little bit I got left in the air gun here. I didn't put very much in, honestly. Like, I think I did 4 drops. This stuff sprays extremely well. There we go. Okay. Now with that done, I'm going to clean out the airbrush. I'm going to heat set it. And then we're going to come in with our stencil, and we're going to put our stencil directly on top of this pearl white. Okay, so like I said, we're going to just black right over top. And I think I'm going to have to adjust these just a little bit. And again, let's just drop this on. Should fit. Oh yeah, there we go. That's what we're looking for. Okay, so let's get some black loaded up here, if I can find it. My paint desk slash booth, whatever you want to call this, is actually kind of a disaster here. Got shit everywhere, which makes it obviously quite a bit tougher to find anything. And of course the black happens to be right beside me. We'll give her a good shake. And I'm gonna do, I don't need much, so honestly probably gonna do 5 drops. And 1 drop of flow improver. Okay. Let's just give her a quick test spray. Perfect. I do want to darken these up fairly black, fairly dark. I want the black to really contrast on that pearl white. Okay, perfect. I think we'll just heat set it quickly. I did spray it on really heavy, but like I said, I do want it really dark. Pop that off. Oh yeah, that's sweet. Okay, now hopefully it doesn't get too scratched up. Same thing, we're just gonna flip it, drop that on, quick test spray. Okay. Not the greatest stencils in the world. You kind of do have to hold on to them. So you do get quite a bit of paint on your thumb and your finger, but that's okay. And we'll heat set that. Okay. we don't need the airbrush anymore. I've got some of this Wicked Red. This is probably the closest I got to blood red. I'm gonna just drop some in here. Okay. Let's just get this moved out of our way here before we do anything. So if we take, we've got some of these acid brushes. We're gonna just cut this in half. So I want this to be a little bit stiffer. And let's just pull that a couple times. So what we're gonna do is, I mean, you guys have seen me do this before. We're gonna literally just take it. We're gonna just flick it. But before we do that, let's just do a quick test, because I want to see. Oh yeah. Okay. Let's just knock some of that off so it's not as heavy on there. Okay. Let's get a little bit more on this side. Up on that gill plate there. Let's get a little bit up on the bill there. Nothing too crazy. Okay, certainly is badass looking. Maybe do a little bit on the top there. A couple of splashes. There we go. There we go. Yellow eyes on it. I was kind of debating between yellow and red, but the yellow just kind of offsets this bait a little bit with a little bit more color. Otherwise, very cool looking bait. Really glad what I was kind of thinking in my head came together. At first I thought I overdid it with the red, but I think once it gets cleared, this thing's gonna look phenomenal. The pike are gonna smash this. I'm gonna actually, I think, end up painting a couple more for some buddies, because this is a very, very cool looking bait. Super simple, yet gonna be very effective. But yeah, thanks for following along with me, guys, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Until next time, keep painting, stay creative, tight lines, bye.